World, and today I'm going to give you an update on chickens and chicks. So over there, as you can see, you see a chick. They're almost as big as the chickens now. And we put foot tags on them. It's really zip ties, but I just call them foot tags. So now, see, you can see her foot tag right there. It's like that. And one that has a green foot tag, I named her Whiteout. Because I like the name Whiteout, and the chicks are completely white. And it seems that that's their favorite spot. See, there's one over there, too. I'm going to get up close so that you guys can see it. There's another one. Hi! They also almost sound like the chickens. Well, that's Whiteout. I think. Yeah, that's Whiteout. Her green foot tag. This is Whiteout. And at first we thought that they were roosters, but now we realize that they're hens. So, hens are girls and roosters are boys. We have no roosters because we're not allowed to. Roosters are the ones that go cock-a-doodle-doo. And since we have many different kinds of chickens, we could breed, and we're not allowed to. Also, they're very loud. So, yeah. Hello, Goldie. Let's check if there are any eggs. That's the broody chicken. She stopped brooding. That's why there's a cage right here. She was brooding not long ago. No eggs. These are fake eggs. No eggs here. No eggs here. No eggs here. Huh. No eggs. That's weird. Some chickens will go down and like put their wings up, but they'll still be close to their body and let us catch them. But most of them won't. Goldie used to do that, but now she doesn't. I don't know why. See, like that. And they're so sweet. And you guys know the video I made about cicadas? Well, there are no more cicadas. Well, you guys have known that for a while now. Well, that's it for today. Bye, world. Keep cuddling your cute kitties. I wish I had one.